If you're one of the lucky ones that got a Dream for All voucher, you are getting an absolute killer deal. Not only are you getting the 20% down to use for your down payment and or closing costs, you're getting a really, really solid interest rate. When that program first launched, it was sitting somewhere in that low 7 range. And then we started to see it dip down into the sixes. For a little while, it was 6.875, then 6.75, and so on. But recently, we've seen it as low as 6.125. So if you're in contract or you're out there writing offers, be aggressive. We don't want that voucher to expire anytime soon, and you can lock in a really, really solid mortgage rate. 6.125 is absolutely outstanding. We've seen the average here recently kind of float between that and about 6.5%. So somewhere in that range, depending on when you go into contract, that's going to be kind of your lock timeline. And we want to make sure you take full advantage of that. Now, remember, you can pair that with a buy down strategy. So if you're in a situation where maybe you can negotiate a little bit stronger with the seller, utilize the 20% down to cover your down payment, cover your closing cost, and then work the seller either on the price or additional concession. That concession could be applied toward a 2-1 buy down. So let's say that you locked in a 6.375 mortgage rate. Your first year might be 4.375 in this program. Year number two, 5.375. And finally, year number three, 6.375. Now, if interest rates improve between year one and year three, you can refinance. They give you that one-time refi where they allow you to refinance, and you can take all that additional money that the seller's been holding to buy down your interest rate, and you can apply it toward your principal if you wanted to, or you can pay your closing cost on the refinance. So a lot of really cool strategies. If we pair this up with the right strategy, I think it's a home run for anybody that's holding on to one of those vouchers. If you want to strategize on that and you're holding the voucher, reach out to me, let me know, see how I can help you. I can examine the market and see maybe where you can have a little bit of leverage right now. But I'd love to help you kind of figure out a way to make this voucher kind of work for you, make home ownership just a little bit more affordable. And with the right strategy, I think it's the right time with the right program. It's a good combination for you. All right, till next time.